Vice President Constantine Chiwenga made an emotional return to his childhood school on Saturday, a place deeply tied to both his personal journey and Zimbabwe's liberation struggle. Sanapna mashoko obulanyira kuna bzvinzi aiwa Chiwenga renews fighting tactics panguva ino iri very critical. Noti subscribe or like out on the bell kuti bila Zimbabwe obulanyira chete his visit to Mount St. Mary's Mission School in Wedza, where he and his late coup like Chief Marshal Parents Shiri once studied, came against the backdrop of intensifying political tension within with President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Chiwenga attended a Thanksgiving Mass honoring Father Celestino Makwenzi, a former student of the mission school who was celebrating his ordination as a Roman Catholic priest. But for Vice President, the occasion was far more than a religious gathering. It was a symbolic homecoming to the site where he and his comrades made a fateful decision that changed the course of Zimbabwe's history. According to the state media in 1973, during a tea break, Chiwenga and three of his from three classmates, Shiri Brigadier General retired Richard Huju and Ernest Madejita, chose to abandon their studies and join the Liberation War. Their decision, made a defiance of an oppressive colonial regime, was fraught with danger but ultimately shaped the country's political and military landscape. While Chiwenga, Shiri and Huju survived the war to rise to powerful positions in government and the military, Madejita is believed to have perished in the struggle. His visit to Mount St. Mary's Mission School therefore carries symbolic weight. It is not just a personal reflection on the past, but a rekindling of the fighting spirit that once propelled him into the liberation struggle. Thomas Kwanamuraito Bavana Ujinza aiwa kurevisita kwanoita pachikoro kwakambodzidza panguva ino they are saying revival aiwa their spirit vayekufighta for their own country. Tudze mafungo enyu muri kudei pamusoro pechitiko ichi chinoitika panguva ino vanachiona kuti panguva ino is now being crippled and sidelined, maloyalist ake achifaiwa panguva ino kuti aiwa anenge akumbokunyidzira manje kuti achifighta back. Tudze mafungiro enyu pene comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.